We all appreciate traveling light, but traditional full-size tripods often prove too bulky, heavy, and cumbersome to bring along, resulting in them being left behind and rendering them useless. In contrast, top-tier travel tripods are designed to alleviate this burden. They prioritize compactness and lightweight construction. However, historically, they've been criticized for their flimsiness, relative instability, and insufficient height for practical use. The latest generation of travel tripods aims to reconcile these drawbacks, offering the best of both worlds. Typically sold as kits, these tripods come compact with ball heads and all necessary accessories. Opting for ball heads presents a space-saving advantage, eliminating the need for multiple protruding locking levers or the hassle of removing them for packing. In this guide, we assess the top tripods currently available on the market. Here are some standout options. All product links are provided in the description. 5. Vanguard VEO 3GO 235CB. The Vanguard VEO 3GO 235CB is an optimal travel tripod for capturing selfies. Boasts an impressive set of specifications. Crafted from lightweight yet robust carbon fiber, it achieves an extended height of 138 centimeters while neatly folding down to a compact 33 centimeters. Weighing a mere 1.06 kilograms, its portability is further enhanced by the inclusion of pads and spikes on its feet for versatile terrain adaptation. With 5 sections in each swing-up leg and a 2-section center column, this Vanguard model efficiently collapses to just over a foot in length, providing a commendable maximum operating height. Despite its modest 4 kilograms load rating and an average maximum height, the Vanguard VEO 3GO 235CB compensates with its practical design features. The inclusion of 5 leg sections, each with a spindly 11 mm diameter for the bottom sections, surprisingly maintains stability even when fully extended. The aluminum version, while slightly heavier, offers a viable alternative. A distinguishing feature of this Vanguard model is its versatility, effortlessly converting into a monopod. In addition to its transformative capability, the Vanguard VEO 3GO 235CB stands out for its upmarket build quality, ensuring durability and reliability during your photography endeavors. While it may not boast the highest load rating or the most towering height, its blend of portability, adaptability, and quality construction makes it a compelling option for photographers seeking a reliable travel companion. 4. 3-legged Thingpunks Core 2.0. Distinguished as the premier travel tripod for low-angle photography, the 3-legged Thingpunk Core 2.0 stands out with its remarkable specifications. Crafted from robust magnesium alloy, it achieves an extended height of 146 centimeters while compactly folding down to a mere 36 centimeters for convenient portability. Weighing in at 1.78 kilograms, it strikes a balance between being lightweight and solid, ensuring ease of use without compromising on durability. The inclusion of pads on its feet adds stability to its design. Despite its cold-to-the-touch characteristic and the absence of a D-ring on the quick-release plate, the 3-legged Thingpunk Core 2.0 excels in other areas. It boasts an impressive 14 kilograms load rating, both in the legs and the head, emphasizing its strength and reliability. The absence of a D-ring is a minor drawback compared to the robust load-bearing capacity and the overall lightweight build. Specifically tailored for travel, all Punk tripods from 3-legged Thing offer portability, but the Core 2.0 takes it a step further as the smallest and most packable option in the lineup. Featuring swing-up legs with 5 sections each, coupled with a 2-section head, it manages to achieve a commendable maximum operating height while minimizing stowage size. This design choice makes it an ideal companion for photographers on the go. The Core 2.0 not only meets but exceeds expectations by seamlessly transforming into a monopod and facilitating ultra-low-level shooting for even more flexibility in capturing low-angle shots. For added versatility, all 3 legs are removable, and with separately sold Vance footwear, the Core 2.0 can be transformed into a stylish tabletop tripod, further expanding its utility in various shooting scenarios. 3. 3-legged Thing Leo 2.0 Plus AirHead Pro Lever Kit. The 3-legged Thing Leo 2.0 Plus AirHead Pro Lever Kit is hailed as the ultimate travel tripod for its unparalleled versatility, boasting an array of impressive specifications. Crafted from lightweight yet robust carbon fiber, this extraordinary tripod folds down to a mere 35 centimeters in length, effortlessly transforming from a compact package into a powerhouse offering a maximum height of 147 centimeters. Weighing 1.85 kilograms, it strikes a balance between portability and sturdiness. The inclusion of interchangeable pads on its feet further enhances its adaptability to different shooting conditions, setting itself apart with an extraordinary 30 kilograms payload capacity for both the legs and the head. The three-legged Thing VEO 2.0 is designed to handle heavy equipment with ease. Its unique features include a detachable monopod leg, doubling as a versatile microphone or camera boom. The tri-mount system allows for the addition of accessory, while the innovative two-section center column adds to its functionality. Despite the abundance of leg clamps to tighten, the VEO 2.0 compensates with its groundbreaking design element. The kit includes the new and improved AirHead Pro lever ball head, providing a seamless and reliable locking mechanism. While it may not be the smallest or the most economical travel tripod available, its exceptional ratio of folded length to maximum height, coupled with its all-encompassing versatility, positions it among the best options for photographers seeking a reliable and adaptable travel companion. 2. Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro Carbon Fiber. The Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro Carbon Fiber is the ultimate budget travel tripod, combining affordability with a range of noteworthy specifications. Fabricated from a blend of carbon fiber and aluminum, this tripod achieves an extended height of 152.5 centimeters while efficiently folding down to a compact 38.5 centimeters. Weighing a mere 1.64 kilograms, it strikes a balance between portability and stability, with pads on its feet contributing to its impressive steadiness. Promoted for its 6-in-1 versatility, the Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro goes beyond its budget-friendly status to offer a range of useful features. Even at its full height, it exhibits remarkable stability relative to its build. The inclusion of a built-in monopod and mini tripod adds genuine value to its functionality, catering to both traditional camera setups and smartphone photography. While the absence of a short center column may be considered a drawback, the RoadTrip Pro compensates with its stable design, making it a reliable companion for various shooting scenarios. Some functions may seem less practical, and the quick-release plate pan control may have limited use, but the overall package provides commendable value for its price. Convenience is a hallmark of the Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro, as essential accessories like the hex key, small tripod legs, and smartphone clamp are either contained within or attached to the tripod itself. This design choice ensures that these components are always at hand, minimizing the risk of forgetting or losing them. However, it's important to note that this convenience contributes to a slightly heavier build than strictly necessary. Despite these considerations, the RoadTrip Pro remains an excellent choice for budget-conscious photographers seeking a versatile and reliable travel tripod. 1. Peak Design Travel Tripod. The Peak Design Travel Tripod secures top spot as the ultimate travel tripod overall, setting the bar for exceptional performance and design. Crafted from either lightweight carbon fiber or sturdy aluminum alloy, this tripod achieves an extended height of 153 centimeters while maintaining a compact folded height of just 39 centimeters. Weighing 1.27 kilograms for the carbon fiber version and 1.56 kilograms for the aluminum variant, it strikes a balance between portability and durability. The inclusion of pads on its feet, with optional spikes, further enhances its stability. Renowned for its supreme portability, the Peak Design Travel Tripod excels with an ultra-low-profile ball head, ensuring convenience without compromising functionality. The package includes a phone mount and a dedicated bag, adding value to the overall offering. While the carbon fiber version may be relatively expensive, the aluminum alternative presents a more budget-friendly option, sacrificing only a fraction of the vibration resistance. Although it may not be the tallest among its competitors, the Peak Design Tripod reaches eye level for an average height person and excels in packing down to a remarkably slim 39 centimeters in length. A standout feature of the design is its thoughtful elimination of dead space between the legs and the column when packed. This unique design not only ensures a short folded height, but also results in a very slim profile, making it easy to stow in a camera bag or cabin bag, or securely strap it to the exterior. The tripod's low-profile ball head, coupled with a hidden phone holder inside the center column, adds to its user-friendly design. Beyond its compact size and convenient features, the Peak Design Travel Tripod impresses with its remarkable rigidity, providing photographers with a reliable and high-performance tool for their travel adventures. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.